Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this jogger style skirt using my basic straight skirt block. I slightly modified the waist so it matches the hip measurements, which makes it perfect for an elastic waistband. This is a simple beginner friendly project. For this tutorial, you will need your skirt pattern, 1 to 1.5 yard of fabric, elastic for the waistband, scissors, a safety pin and your sewing machine. You can use crepe, you can use cotton or tracksuit fabrics. I started with a basic skirt block. To prepare it for an elastic waistband, I removed the shaping at the waist and made the waist measurement equal to the hip. This gives the skirt straight top edge that gathers beautifully once the elastic is added. I started by placing my front basic skirt pattern on the folded fabric. The jogger skirt uses exactly the same pattern shape. The only difference is extra ease, so adjust the ease based on how loose or how fitted you want your skirt. I also reduced the waistline by 2 inches because the initial pattern we did was from exactly the waistline to the knee line, so we had to minus 2 inches to accommodate the elastic band. And then I added 0.5 inch sewing allowance at the side, and also I made the waistline and the hip line the same. For the back pattern, you don't need the zipper allowance at the back, so just extend the waistline to meet the hip line also. To get the jogger look, I slightly tapered the hem and curved the sides. You can follow your existing pattern line and just soften it a little. This gives the skirt a nicer shape when gathered at the waist. For the waistband, I measured the waist of this cutout skirt. Then for the width, I used 5 inches. My elastic band is 2 inches. Then we'll use 0.5 to sew it together to the skirt. I made a tutorial on how to make an elastic waistband, so I'll be linking the video on the description. Next, I placed both pieces right sides together and stitched the two side seams using 1/2 inch seam allowance. If you want to finish the inside neatly, you can overlock or zigzag the raw edges. To finish the skirt, I folded the hem by 2 inches and stitched it down. You can also use a narrow hem if you prefer. Here is a final look, a simple jogger style skirt made from a basic straight skirt block modified for comfort and ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more DIY projects from UStylish.